Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our very last Christmas release for this year. It is our Elf Christmas stamp and colour kit, and of course this beautiful little stamp has got all these cute little elves. This is the most adorable little stamp, and wait till you see the cards the girls have done. Okay, so in the kit itself you're getting the stamp and this laser cut with Christmas greetings and have a very Merry Christmas and the tree. These are the beautiful papers, double-sided, and these are great for using as backgrounds for cards. Super cute colour palette with this one as well. This is the cut apart sheet, and of course you've got the cute little book. There is a bonus stamp, a second stamp you can add on to this collection, and it's called Elf Hugs. And it's got this gorgeous little elves hugging the snowman and the village and a couple other little bits and pieces. And the add-on die is this scene builder, which is actually called Christmas Scene. And of course you've got the fussy cutting dies for both dies. Let me show you some cards that Ashley's made, then I'll show you the little inspiration book as well. She's used a combination of both the stamps to create these, and of course the laser cut. This is from that die. Ash just cut it down and just used that top bit. These are our new ovals, and the laser cut again. And this is the actual die to create the cute little scene. Let me show you some of the others from in the book. Where did I hide it? Here it is. Our DT have done an amazing job making cute little slim lines and lots of other adorable cards with these stamps and the die. So cute. I love how Stephanie's coloured this in. So that is the Christmas tree on the die. She's coloured that in with her Copics. Very clever. Our candy stripe die. So just a whole bunch of fun. So this kit is now shipping. You can purchase it today over on our website or at your local craft store. Thanks for watching guys. Till next time. Bye.